My name is Mr. Borak, and I'm a third grade teacher at Moose Lake Elementary School. And for the last month here at Moose Lake, we have been celebrating kindness. And we've gotten the kids really excited by getting a blizzard of kindness set up. All the students in the elementary created snowflakes of kindness. They cut out ordinary paper snowflakes and made them extraordinary by writing a word of kindness on them. Some of the words that we have seen were smile, nice, happy, just ways that our elementary students show kindness to others. We recognize the fact that we are always doing kind acts, but not always are we celebrating them or highlighting them. And that's what this was about, celebrating kindness.
Elementary school! I am Mr. Borak reporting live from Moose Lake School's auditorium. The day has finally arrived. The blizzard of kindness is scheduled to hit Moose Lake in just a few moments. The storm seems to have increased in intensity in the last few weeks. It has increased in intensity with the help of all of you. Students here in Moose Lake Elementary have been busy talking about kindness in their classroom and creating snowflakes of kindness. We are going to make sure that these snowflakes of kindness wipe out any acts of unkindness that it touches. Kind acts are predicted to snowball throughout the community. So please keep an eye out for Blizzard of Kindness posters throughout the community. I would now like to take the time to pass it over to Miss McGee as she recaps some of the great things that have been happening so far this month.
Elementary School. Now this week and the last few weeks we've really been celebrating kindness. And you have created kindness snowflakes and you've been very busy being kindness detectives. We have had a ton of Caught Being Kind slips in our snowflake bucket this week and last week, and we brought the bucket up for us today. And I would like to call two specific individuals up to the stage who caught two of their peers being kind. Is Joe Webseth here today? Yes. Could you come down, Joe? Come on up. And is Liz Elves here today? Come on up. And I'm going to have these two talk about two of their classmates that they caught being kind. So I'm going to give it to Joe first. Here you go.
Zach Kirk playing football helped Eli when he fell.
All right, so let's give Zach a big round of applause. And I think it's also important to acknowledge that Joe also was noticing that Zach was doing a very kind act. So let's have Zach come up on the stage also, please. Is Zach here today? All right, we're going to have Liz read hers out loud.
Samantha Young's, when I am sad, she always makes me feel better. She always kind to people.
So let's have Samantha come on up. Is she here today? Let's give Samantha and Liz a big round of applause for sharing with us today. All right, and let's remember that even if your name was not called right now, it might be called later, but even if it's not called later today, remember you are always a winner if you are kind to others. Let's give another big round of applause for these four students. I'd also want to just give a big round of applause for all of the adults that have really been helping with this Blizzard of Kindness. It's been a couple weeks in preparation, and some of you may not know who's been helping, but if you've been helping, let's give everyone a huge round of applause for all of the work that they put in. And now we have a special visitor. Can everyone give Miss Princess Penelope a big round of applause?
I'm Princess Penelope, the princess of politeness, and I'm practically perfect in every way possible. I prefer pink and purple. my preference in perishables includes peas, pizza, and pistachios. But enough about me. I was flying between Pennsylvania and the Pacific, and I heard about a blizzard. I just had to stop and see. And I was so proud to find a preponderance of kindness displayed by the pupils publicly at Moose Lake Elementary School. I'm so proud that it makes my heart palpitate. Thank you. Please continue with the blizzard of kindness all year through and keep on going. And I must tell you that I wish you all peace and prosperity. And now I must... Oh, I see a poodle at a party.
Thank you very much, Princess Penelope. All right, so the blizzard will hit in just a few moments, and it is time for us to gather outside. everybody here. I want you to take a minute and take a look around you. You are surrounded by nearly 300 snowflakes of kindness and nearly 300 extraordinarily kind individuals. This month, your teachers have been talking to all of you about what it means to be kind. Acts of kindness can come in many different forms. Bluff Creek Elementary School from Chanhassen, Minnesota sent us a peace mobile to show their kindness to us after the flood hit. We can also show kindness in other ways. A simple smile can change someone's day. Helping someone stand up after they fall down is another way to be kind. So, I would like to now take the time to share how we here at Moose Lake Elementary are kind. So, we're going to start with the kindergartners. In kindergarten, kindness is in first grade, kindness is in second grade, kindness is in third grade, kindness is in fourth grade, kindness is in fifth grade, kindness is and our leaders of the school in sixth grade, kindness is thank you very much. Now, I would also like to take some time to thank some very important members of our community. In every community, we rely on individuals to help keep us safe. Moose Lake is no different. I would like to take the time to thank the Moose Lake Fire Department, the Moose Lake Police Department, the Moose Lake Ambulance, and other people who serve our community. Let's give these wonderful members of our community a big round of applause. Thank you very much. In conclusion, our message is simple. At Moose Lake School, go up there and create a great day and continue being kind. Let's have this snowball to home and to other parts of the community. Let's give everybody a big round of applause. All right, we are going to have the kindergartners going first, followed by first grade, then second grade, then third grade. Let's go in the doors by the gym. Thank you very much, everybody.
Okay, we're heading right down the hallway. Good job, guys and gals. We've got a pile. We're going to continue down the hallway spreading our blizzard of kindness. So if you need one, I will put it right here on the floor. Okay? Hunter?
Yes, I did.
And you just made your blizzard flow into the
High school!
and we hope that in the high school kindness
Makes a difference!
awesome. Good job, third graders.
Bluff Creek Elementary School from Chanhassen, Minnesota sent us a peace mobile to show their kindness and support after we were hit by the flood. This is our way of kind of giving back and making that snowball into something greater. We're hoping that the kindness that we're celebrating here can snowball into the community of Moose Lake and then maybe into surrounding communities in Minnesota and maybe even bigger. Kindness is something that we should never forget. It's something we should do all the time, and that's what we want our kids to do. Thank you.